5 reasons why you must improve customer value. I am Valentin Radu, the founder at Omniconvert. Welcome to Omniconvert e-commerce tips. Today we're gonna talk about the main 5 reasons why you need to improve customer lifetime value. Reason number 1. You will have more resources. The more you will be able to generate from a single customer, the more budget you will afford to invest in talent and customer acquisition. This will lead to sustainable growth. Reason number 2. The ad costs are surging. In the last 5 years, the Facebook CPC grew 8 times. After COVID, most companies will invest even more in ads to get their customers coming back to their stores. If you know your ICP, ideal customer profile, you will train the lookalike algorithms from Facebook or Google to acquire better customers, not average customers. Reason number 3. Better product assortment. Once you know who's your ideal customer, you'll also be able to understand what are the best and most toxic brands and products. That means your buying department will be aware of the brands and products they should add to your offer because these are preferred by your loyal customers. Reason number 4. Third-party cookies are dying. In the future, you need to know your customers and have a direct connection with them. Personalization works only if it is relevant. You will be able to give special treatments to your best customers and make them your promoters. Reason number 5. Access to capital. The bigger the customer value, the better the lifetime value over customer acquisition cost ratio is. This is a ratio that makes investors happy if you want to sell, and bankers happy if you want a loan. If you are serious about e-commerce growth, then customer value optimization is what you need. CVO works because it is a scientific method that is not relying too much on chance or creativity, but on a proven methodology that is under the radar of the majority e-commerce managers trapped into the acquisition game. The principles behind CVO are old since the e-commerce itself. Adapt to the customer needs, focus on customers that matter, under-promise and over-deliver. If you realize how harmful it is to always rely on new customers, then maybe the time to improve customer value is right now. But to improve customer value, you need accurate data and the right tools. In the last 7 years, we helped hundreds of e-commerce companies to convert more with Omniconvert Explore, our personalization software. 2 years ago, we understood the power of customer value optimization. Personalization works only if it is relevant to each individual. That's why we built a customer value optimization tool, Omniconvert Reveal. Reveal is the ultimate tool that reveals the hidden gems in your customer data. Want to track and optimize customer lifetime value and customer retention? Try Omniconvert Reveal. It is completely free for Shopify. Find it in their App Store. If you're on Magento or another e-commerce platform, get it from our website. Improving customer lifetime value has never been easier.